What's up, guys?
What's up?
Welcome to the new RockOn vlog, and we are here in
Barcelona, Spain.
and yeah, after 2 years, first time flying, feels so good. And it's first time for Renato also to be with me on the plane. So yeah, we have actually something very special. We're gonna announce a new sponsor, a very passionate group of people, and they said also they have something special for us, and we like special stuff. So
Can't wait to see it.
So let's go, let's meet the guys. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿qué tal?
Rock.
Rich?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you, Richard.
And you at long last, eh?
A long
Great to see
time,
you.
yeah. You prepared something special for me when I arrived here, right?
We prepared something very special for you.
Okay, let me see what it is. Guys, the news is out. Austin Racing is my new exhaust sponsor. I'm super happy about it, super excited, because yeah, all the crazy ideas that we had in the pipelines for many weeks now are slowly getting to a reality. One is today, and
It's a crazy man on a bike, and I think we're a crazy exhaust company, risky. We love flames, eh? So we have something very special for you, Rob.
Okay.
We've all been locked down, so we've been spending a lot of time working on the now iconic RS22 system for the Gen 3, for the R and the RR. A lot of R&D, and I personally feel it's the best system we've ever produced. It's special.
Okay, man, I'm so
It's a crazy exhaust.
You're making me
yeah.
excited.
Should we bring it in?
Definitely, let's bring it in.
Ricky. Ricky?
Hello, Ricky, thank you. Oh my god.
So this is the RS22 ball system.
This looks for me like a rocket science. That's
yeah.
an amazing thing.
You can see the R&D that's gone into this to create more power on the bike. Great sound, great looks, lightweight, it's full titanium, all hand built. So all the welds are hand welded.
This is hand welded?
Yeah, in Austin Racing there's no machines.
Renato, come closer, come closer.
Check
this
This
weld.
is all hand welds. People think we use machines, we don't.
So no machines,
No
hand
machines,
welding
no.
here.
So a lot of time went into the tube sizes, tube lengths to create the finish effect that we wanted to create. This is for the 1290 Super Duke, or the R or RR. We're very pleased, very proud of it.
And beside that, first time that I saw Austin Racing, the first thing that it popped into my eyes, or how should I say it, it's the end can.
Okay.
Especially you're the only brand I know that makes orange end tips. And I see, oh, check this, details. Okay, details is important, but another detail here, you can maybe, do you see it?
Yeah.
RS22. Oh my god, yeah. Amazing. This is a piece of art, Richard.
Yeah, it should go in the art.
Well, yeah, definitely. Speaking about that, I think it's time to wrench and put this nice exhaust on the bike and then hear the sound.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Stock exhaust have been now removed, and as we always do, we measure the difference of the weight. Weight is always important, and yeah, the RS22 feels really light, and I'm really curious what will be the difference. Richard, you have the scale ready?
Yeah,
okay.
Good.
It's pretty heavy already. It says 9.8 and my hands are shaking. Time to measure the RS22. Yeah, that feels way lighter. You see one-hander. And what the scale says, 5.3 kilos. That's half of the
Titanium.
yeah, titanium. I would say time to put it on the Super Duke, right?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Rock, 17mm spanner, please. Rock, chuck me the box. Whoa!
Guys, if you like the vlog so far, hit the like button.
Okay, so Rock, we're finished fitting the system, so now we're ready for the final touch, which is
Okay.
the end cans. So you have a choice, GP1 RS or GP1 RS Mini.
Mini version.
Okay, so either this is nasty,
Yeah.
this is also nasty, but this is nastier.
Nastier, okay.
This can be road DB legal.
So I can also
This
use it
not.
on the street.
Yeah, this you can use on the street, this you can't.
Then definitely, because we are riding on the streets and also in the coming days,
Yeah,
let's use this one. And my personal taste, I like this one more.
okay.
Let's do this one.
Okay.
Rich, the beautiful RS22 is now finally on the bike. Looks amazing. High five. And
Hello, Mom! I'm famous!
yeah,
We're ready to rock.
ready to rock. Now it's time that all been waiting
Ready
for.
to rock.
Ready to rock. Let's hear the beast. Beautiful, right? Rich, thank you for welcoming in the Austin Racing team. Once again, the exhaust is freaking amazing.
Cool.
The sound is unbelievable, and yeah, it makes the whole bike special.
Beast.
A
Makes it a
beast.
beast.
So it's a cherry on the cake, definitely.
Yeah.
And one small detail that I realized, check this, Renato. So because the exhaust is positioned here, now the whole side swing arm and the rear wheel is more exposed, and I think this makes the bike even more cool. So really nice idea, double cam. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this kind of vlog. Drop some comments below if you like the exhaust. And yeah, we have something special in the pipelines with Rich here. I cannot tell you what, but you're gonna definitely like it. Okay guys, on that note, that's it. See you in the next vlog. Until then,
Rock on!